Hello, let us talk about vehicle cybersecurity today, and specifically let me talk about CAN bus hacking or CAN bus intrusion. So CAN bus is this network system that basically allows different ECUs on your vehicle to communicate with each other, from sending commands and activating these commands to where they're supposed to be done. So meaning if someone intrudes or connects to your CAN bus network system, they can basically order a car to stop, start, open windows, close windows, open doors, and so on. So this is a security vulnerability for drivers, where a thief can basically steal your car if he has access to your CAN bus network system. So how do you prevent your CAN bus from being hacked, and how do you prevent a hacker or someone from intruding onto your network system for the vehicle? First is make sure that you don't drive when anything is connected to your OBD2 port. Another thing is for vehicles that have modified or high-tech infotainment systems, make sure that when you're driving, your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi should not be open if you're not using them, because hackers can connect to these medias to connect to your CAN bus system. Another thing is make sure you do not leave physical CAN bus wires open, because someone can connect a device and basically intrude your vehicle via that link. So be very careful, and if you're a person who has a vehicle that is high-tech and you want to do a network analysis, there are several softwares, open software on the market like SurveyCAN. You can use it to basically analyze the vehicle's communications and make sure that your network system is okay.